Hey STARI scholars, today in your breakout group, you're going to calculate your partner's fluency rate and find out how many words they can read in 1 minute. You're going to want to use your phone or this little link up here to time them, to give them exactly 1 minute. While they are reading, the timer should go off and make a ringing noise when it's over. So you can just follow along while they're reading. Make sure they don't skip any lines. If they make a mistake and skip a line, you can remind them, but don't really interrupt them too much. And as soon as they finish, remember the last word that they end on, because it's going to be your job as their partner to count how many words they read in that 1 minute. It's not as hard as it seems though, because each line is labeled with numbers, which says how many lines are up to that line. So let's say you time me, I read, and I finish at the word share here as an example. Okay, so if they read to the R, that's 110 words. So this would be 111, 112, 113, 114, 15, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. And I said I stopped at share. So if your partner ended at share, they would have read 120 words in 1 minute. Then you would come down here and you would write on the document, partner ended in the word share, so you don't want to forget where that was. How many words did your partner read in 1 minute? 120. They'll do the same for you and tell you your words. Then you get to go to your Fluency Tracker. And you're going to write today's date. Maybe it's the 26th. Ricardo, and today, oh, I'm on the wrong page. It should be on the Fluency page. Fluency, words per minute is fluency. It was January 26, 2021. Mr. Marcaldo. And I read 120 words in 1 minute as my example. So as we go, you can see your progress and your words per minute might increase the more time you're in STARI. After you calculate the words per minute for both members of your partner group, you can then ask them to answer you the questions. So you can say to your partner, what is birth order? And then your partner answers based on what they read, and we're seeing if they can remember what they read. So you can write down what they say, or you can just write down if they got it correct or not. If you're not sure if what's correct, you go back together after they answer it and figure it out. Just be honest about, this is not going to hurt your grade. So just, are you comprehending what you're reading or not? So if you get them both right, you get 100%. If you get one wrong, it's 50. If you get two, it's a 0. Not going to hurt your grade if you get a 0, as long as you're trying your best. But you can go ahead and record their answer. Well, in the recording sheet, you're only going to be recording your own stuff. So your partner and you yourself will record your own comprehension scores right here, either 0%, 50%, or 100%. And then that way you can continue tracking your fluency, your words per minute, and also your comprehension and understanding what you're reading.